Good morning and welcome to the Riverbend Summer Camp on drones for work and for play. I'm John Munson. I'm a teacher over at Blue Mountain Union.
I'm Hollis Munson. I'm a student at BMU and I'm interested in all things aviation.
And we also are a father and son team that runs a business called Kingdom Aerial Photography. And in that business, I'm what they call in the FAA, I'm actually a commercial licensed pilot for drone operation. And Hollis is actually the expert flyer. And together we do a lot of different jobs that hopefully we can share our experience with you. So this is going to be a week-long camp. It's going to be self-paced, meaning you go at your own rate as you figure things out, faster or slower. And technically we go from this Monday to Friday in the mornings. And Hollis and I will be available from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock each day to help you if you run into problems. The best way to contact us is going to be through the email, my personal, or actually my school email, which I'll put right in this video. And please contact us. We are really committed to trying to make this summer camp experience a really good one for you. So the format of the camp is, of course, it's all online, and it's all about you picking up your drone, learning how to operate it safely. So we're going to be sending out information to you almost, if not every day, something like that. And there's going to be links to videos that we've created, links to some other resources, some text information, and before you get started, there's going to be some safety instruction, because the fact is you can get into trouble with a drone pretty quickly, and it's really essential that you know the safety regulations. Okay? Have a great time with this, okay? Let's talk sometime soon.